This is what I do when I'm not uploading anymore. Like, look. You can see those videos and whatever I upload and whatever I watch. So, of what I do when I don't upload videos anymore, I go to switch account and then just ignore the other account. That's my school account. What the Okay. I'll use YouTube sign out, and this is what I do when I'm not uploading anymore. Yeah, you can see the screen recording. If you want this to make videos, then you actually like go over here and then add control. And look, here is it. Here is it, here is it. So yeah. Let me